Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean a jack, the headphone socket in a phone. Samsung Galaxy A32 4G. We need a round brush like this, and besides that, we also need isopropyl alcohol. 100% pure. The phone must be turned off for this operation. Never clean anything on a phone that's turned on. You can buy all these items as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And now we'll proceed to cleaning. So we thoroughly moisten the brush for cleaning, making sure it's wet. We pick up the phone, and here we have the port. Insert it as far inside as possible. Turn it to the right 5 times, then turn it to the left 5 times. And pull out the brush, and that's how we connect everything after insert. Repeat this 5 to 6 times, which means 30 to 60 turns in each direction. And then you'll have a fully clean and working headphone jack, just like new. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the phone, and then your phone will be ready for normal use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in our next video.